Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see on the title, that I'll be reviewing this new Y6P 2020. So I bought this because this is a gift for my daughter's birthday, and she's turning 10. I mean, she's 10 today, and it's her birthday today. So yeah. Let's get into the unboxing. There's a song, Happy Birthday. So I hope you can hear me still. But yeah, we will do some unboxing. So as you can see, there is the word here, new, and then 4 gig plus 64 gig. So it's a Y6P 2020 kasi meron ding Y6P 2019. So, on the side is the Huawei Y6P and the Huawei logo, same thing. So again, it's a Y6P with a ROM ROM of 64 gig and a RAM of 4 gig. Color is a phantom purple, and it's a dual SIM with a free case. So we will open this one. I'm really excited. So here is the phone. Here's the phone, but let us just set this aside. I bought this actually in Lazada because gusto ko na i-deliver na lang dito, and it's 5,990 pesos, and the delivery fee is 40 pesos. So around 6,030 pesos lang siya. And then there is a scan. There's a way to download the application. So easy ways to download your top app. Yeah, so let's get into this. Has a SIM ejector, and then a Huawei warranty card, and then a quick start guide, AA manual. Yep. And then what we are all been waiting for, so that hindi ka nabibili ng casing, is the jelly case. Okay, balik natin to kasi ipaprank natin siya mamaya. By the way, kaya ako siya binili nito kasi yung cellphone niya is basag, as in basag. Nagtitiktok siya, nalaglag, and then yung screen talaga mismo kasama yung screen protector, nabasag siya. So pangit na yung camera, hindi na siya makita. So anyways, here it is. It's a C-type charger, and then the adapter, since less than 7K siya, less than 10K and less than 7K, most likely some of the phones na nare-release ngayon is walang headphones. So siya, meron siyang headphones. So matutuwa si Tanya, may headphones siya. Well, sobrang dami headphones dito sa bahay, hindi nagagamit. So now, let's get into the phone itself. So this is again, ano nga to? Phantom purple. So yeah, oh my god, ang ganda niya. Shucks, hindi makita. Ayun, oh, kita niya yan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Diba? Perfect. So meron siyang, this is a microphone, I think. And then there's a button. Ayun. So volume, and then the power, and then the SIM. Yung SIM storage ata, hindi ko alam. SIM card and memory card. Then, the jack for headset. And then, another microphone. And then, the C-type charger. C-type pa to? Hindi ko sure. Basta yun na yun. Hindi ata C-type, I think. And then, the speaker. Let's open this up. Sobrang ganda. Oh my god. Ay, may kasama na pala siyang screen protector, but this is not. Ay, glass ata siya. And then at the back, as you can see, there's a flash, fingerprint scanner, and the triple camera. Biruin nyo, for 5,990, meron na siyang triple camera. And then laki niya, oh my god. How is this? Marunong gumamit. Slide to unlock, so yan. So yeah, that is just my unboxing of the Huawei Y6P 2020 in Phantom Purple. And then This is a pretty good budget phone for those students na mag-online class. Well, lahat naman tayo mag-online class because of, or lahat naman ng students mag-online class because of pandemic. But it's a pretty good deal. Again, 3 cameras, and then my fingerprint scanner at the back, and then murang-mura siya for 5,990. I'll be putting the link on the description box. It's actually, I bought it in Lazada as I've mentioned earlier, and sa mismong Huawei store ko siya binili in Lazada. So yeah, you don't need to go to mall, but minsan nag-out of stock shop. Pag nag-out of stock, magpe-pre-delivery and you need to pay for it first. Kaya nga, pre-order pala, and you need to pay first. But the one that I have is meron silang stock, so naka-cash on delivery ko siya. So yun, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching.